High superachievers, students, parents, and individuals. Have you taken your decisions to build your career, or in which streams you are going to take admission, your undergraduate or 11 and 12? Then I have talked a lot about those things, how to make your career roadmap in biotechnology. But today we'll see how to hunt jobs in biotechnology career, because this is the ultimate thing that everybody wants. What is the strategy? What should be the strategy so that we are get noticed by the big organizations or any biotechnological organization and research labs? So today we will discuss, I will tell you about the strategy, 6 month strategy, and it will just transform the way you are hunting jobs in biotechnology. So if you are just final year of your biotechnology career, suppose you are in MSc biotechnology or BTech in biotechnology, and if you are getting a campus option, that is fantastic. You can crack the campus interviews and get a job. But somebody may not be selected in the campus. So we'll see what should be the strategy. So if you really want to hear these things, stay with me, and it will be around 10 to 12 minutes video. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon, because I'm building a community of super achievers, and it is possible through you only. The more and more videos you share and subscribe my channel, I can reach millions of people and build a community of super achievers. So let's come back to a topic, that is biotechnology career breakthrough. 6 months strategy to get hired in India and also abroad. So this is a 6 month strategy, how to hunt career in biotechnology field. So first month, it is your build your foundation. What is foundation? That is your profile, is your foundation. Who are you? How you are representing yourself to the world. So that is a foundation. Build your foundation. So how to make? Simply make one page resume, and there is lot of online resume makers. You can find it very easily. Use one page resume maker and clearly mention whatever you have learned, like whatever, that means latest tools that like CRISPR, ELISA, or you have done somewhere internship, any lab you have done any internship. These things you must be clearly mentioning. And optimize your LinkedIn profile. This is very much required now, because organizations first look your online presence in LinkedIn. So build a powerful LinkedIn profile. There you clearly mention it can be a biotech graduate or a researcher, CRISPR enthusiast, and open to research roles. This is the example that I gave you. So you must clearly mention who are you, and join LinkedIn biotech groups, and also network with biotechnology professionals. This is the first thing, and this is the foundation. Why this is required? Just I told you, because organizations and the professionals first see your online presence, how professional you are. This is the first month. Let's go to second month. Skill boost. See, while studying your BSc or MSc, parallelly you must get certified through online courses. Online courses like genomics or AI, how to use AI in biotechnology, bioinformatics. There is subject in bioinformatics, that is a specialization. If you are not doing any specialization, you can take an online course on bioinformatics. These things you should build parallelly. This is the skill that is required, and these online courses are available in Coursera, EDX. You can take those things, and it is very minimal cost. There is no such a huge cost. Also, start practicing with virtual labs. Nowadays it is available, virtual labs, you can practice. So that experience you must have, or wet labs simulation. Watch that webinars. A lot of webinars are available in biotechnology. Those things you can watch. Webinars maybe from Biospace or Indian Institute of Science. You can search it. You can find out. Watch those webinars and build a list of biotech skill in demand. See, build a list of what are the skills now in demand in biotechnology. You must know what is the market need right now. So whether that skill you have or not. Then if you do not have, build those skills while you are studying your regular course. That also you have to keep it in mind, because you should do something different from others. How will be unique from others? Why should a company hire you? Those things are the key points. Then it is your month 3, research companies. That means take a list of 25 Indian biotech companies and 25 global companies. So list down these things. You can find out. If you want me to find out for you, I can list down. Please message me, I can tell you. And from there, what you will do, once you have the list, go to the website and then their career page. So build a career page, and regularly you will be getting some information about what are the career openings. Those things you will be getting informations, and follow that company in LinkedIn, and the HRs. So the HRs also you can follow in LinkedIn. HRs from those companies, or there will be scientists in LinkedIn. Lot of people are there in LinkedIn. You have to network with them. How? Love their post, comment on their post, and ask for anything that you want to know from them, or on biotechnology or any subject. I think initially you may not get the reply or respond, but gradually you will get. Next is month 4, application outreach. That means this is the action. This is your action month. What actions are, and how you have to take the actions. Apply 3 to 5 biotech jobs, internship company. See, if you are not getting a direct job, you can ask for internship in those companies. Through, you can ask through LinkedIn or Biospace, to their website. You can join also Biotechnica. This is a very good, fantastic organizations where you get all the informations, openings that is happening in India. I think I have seen in India openings they are mentioning those things. Internship also. Join those companies. Send 5 cold emails weekly. Cold emails, and how to frame a cold emails. You can ask ChatGPT. They can form the cold email format. If you don't know, I can also can send 5 cold emails weekly to scientists in that organizations, HR in that organizations, and you can follow 1 week or 2 weeks. That's it. Not you should not follow too much. Then month 5, build your showcase. What is this? Now let us build something that makes your profile unforgettable. Like create a portfolio. What is that portfolio? How to make? Upload projects that you have made and research you have done in the GitHub and Notion. Sorry, GitHub. Include certification and write-ups. Record, this is critical, record a 2-minute video about yourself and achievements. Those things you can put it in GitHub. Also the testimonials, if anything that you have, and those things you have to build also. Next, it is month 6, interviews consistency. See, once you have made all these things, other steps like last 5 steps, now you can practice the mock interviews. What are the questions generally it is asked during your practical interview? When you face an interview, what are the questions generally being asked? That first question, it may be, which biotech tools you know and you are confident in that. Confidently you have to answer which biotech tools you know. Why do you work with us? Why do you want to work with us? Tell me about yourself. This is a standard questions. And tell me about yourself means you are not telling about your name and those things. You have to tell which projects you have done, what is your interest, and how you can make your career in that company. Those things. See, if you are following all these steps, definitely you are already 95% ahead of others. And don't give up. Many people give up within month or two. They give up. Nothing is happening. Why should I try? But something if you want to get it, that means you have to sacrifice your time and you must have patience. Last thing I would say, you must what do you say, write daily affirmations, and you have to manifest the things that you want. And also the visualization, how to make visualization, I have made another video that you can go through.